What's up guys? So, due to well-known reasons, Huawei's smartphone business has been declining in the past 2 years, and clearly after the ban, the main problem Huawei has faced was the supply chain issues. Clearly the demand of Huawei phones around the globe was too high, and due to non-availability of the components, Huawei was unable to meet the demand of consumers. Therefore, the overall sale of Huawei was affected, and the company started facing losses. But, recently if you notice, Huawei started launching smartphones. They have launched the Huawei's P50 Pro, in China first, and after some time, they launched it globally, and few days back, they launched the Huawei's Mate XS2, the foldable smartphone in China, and strongly that smartphone is now available globally. That I was thinking, how could Huawei do that? Well, Huawei's CEO in a recent interview said that Huawei's production capacity has returned. Now suppliers have also revealed that Huawei's mobile phone production capacity has been resumed. So, according to the reports, Huawei's supply chain partners said on an investor interactive platform that the production capacity of the Huawei's mobile phones has been restored, while they were providing Huawei with the manufacturing services for multi-dimensional products, such as mobile phones, tablets, smartwatches, PCs and network terminal securities. And you know what? On April 27th, before the launch of the Huawei's Mate XS foldable smartphone, Huawei's executive director and Smart Car Solutions director stated in the video that Huawei's mobile phone supply has been greatly improved. So, everyone who wants to buy Huawei products can buy them around the globe. They further said this is the biggest good news for Huawei and Huawei fans. Furthermore, since the US ban, Huawei phones have not had access to the Google Play Store to download apps. The Chinese OEM offers its own app gallery, which is part of its Huawei Mobile Services suite. The latest flaw in Huawei App Store was discovered by Android developer Dylan Roussel. Essentially, the API of the app gallery does not offer any protection for paid apps. It takes a bit of work and some technical know-how, but if you have that, you can easily obtain an APK link for premium apps and download them without paying anything. Roussel was able to download and use multiple paid apps by exploiting the vulnerability. He notes that the problem does not lie with app developers not enabling license verification on their apps. It is an issue that Huawei needs to resolve at its end. Not only does this rob developers of their potential earnings, but it also an accessible doorway for app privacy. Attackers could use the API to download a large number of paid apps, without even needing to go through the app gallery. Roussel informed Huawei about the flaw in February. He gave them 5 weeks to fix the problem, but weeks later, the issue persists. Paid apps can still be downloaded freely from the app gallery. However, we assume it won't be long before the company fixes things. It recently acknowledged Roussel's email and assigned an ID to the vulnerability. They also offered him a bug bounty, but he declined for personal reasons. Anyway, do consider subscribing for all the latest updates on the Huawei. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Yeah.